Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start at the exterior and act deliberately. Walk around the car looking for uneven panel gaps, paint overspray, or mismatched colors, because these are the quickest accident indicators. Once you spot something, press lightly on trunk and hood edges to feel misalignment. Keep an eye on windshield and window seals for replaced glass. Make sure to check tires and wheel wells for new suspension parts or welding. These often point to repairs. This early scan saves time and guides the deeper inspection. Once done with the outside, you open the hood and compare both sides of frame rails, radiator support, and mount points looking for new welds or fresh paint because asymmetric repairs reveal impacts. Move to door jambs and seat belt anchors. Inconsistent hardware or mismatched rivets often indicate disassembly. Then start mechanical checks. Sit in the car, test steering feel, and do a short drive to detect pulling or brake issues. Make sure to document anything abnormal with photos and notes while it's fresh. You finish by verifying identification and performance. Run a VIN history and compare that VIN stamped on the frame, door sill, and paperwork because mismatches are major red flags. Then perform a low-speed road test, listening for knocks, checking alignment, and confirming lights, sensors, and airbag warnings operate normally. If anything contradicts the history or your senses, stop and get a certified frame or collision inspector. If you can't get one, ask the seller for recent receipts and warranty-style documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.